Hello, hi, welcome back to CircuitDigest. So today we are going to discuss the interfacing of this 3.5-inch RPI display with Raspberry Pi 0W. So in previous tutorial we have seen how to get started with Raspberry Pi 0W and how to blinking LED using this Raspberry Pi 0. So in next we are going to learn the interfacing of this display with this Raspberry Pi 0W. So this is 3.5-inch TFT display, and the resolution of this display is 480 x 320 pixel, and we can fix it directly on the top of Raspberry Pi 0W board and get power from the VCC pin. And this display used SPI protocol to communicate with RPI. So you can see this display has 26 pins. So these are the 26 pins. We will directly connect this pin to this Raspberry Pi 0. So let's see how to connect this display to this RPI 0W. So it is very simple to interface or connect both. See, so this one is Raspberry Pi 0W, so we can directly fix this 3.5-inch TFT display on the top of these pins. So now it's get connected. So you can see it's very simple to connect. So you can see this 3.5-inch TFT display has been connected to this Raspberry Pi 0W. So you can see it's very simple to connect this. So please keep remember, we should not connect this display with RPI to wrong pin, because then this screen may be damaged. So keep remember. So you can just see once more. So these 26 pins of this TFT display, we will connect the above this pin or above 26 pins of this Raspberry Pi 0W. So here we can easily connect this one. So now we are going to connect our Raspberry Pi 0W with our PC, and we will see what happens. So now I have connected our Raspberry Pi 0W with our PC, and I already programmed it, and I also installed the driver of this touch display. So see now how it gets started. So you can see it start booting. So it will take few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes to get start. So now you can see it started. We have just select this. So now we are able to see desktop screen. It will take more few seconds. So now you can see our display is ready to use. So we will select OK. So you can see here is a VNC, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module, as we can use it as display. So we can do whatever we want, like we have done with using VNC. So we can do the same here. So we can perform any operation. So any operation we can perform from here. So this one is the basic tutorial of interfacing of Raspberry Pi 0W with this 3.5-inch TFT display. So if you have any doubt, then please comment to this tutorial, or you can use our forum. So thank you.